Hi, my name is Dr. Frederick Edward Fabella, and I will be discussing the foundations of quantitative research. Part 1, Why Do the Research? Okay, so let's begin. So, if you are familiar with Stephen Covey, he was the one who said, begin with the end in mind. So, what did he mean by that? What is your objective? What is your goal when you are doing a particular research? Now, if you are doing an academic research as a requirement for senior high school, college, graduate, or postgraduate studies, your research will have to meet the standards of a research panel in a formal defense. All right? So, think about the defense. What's going to happen in the defense? All right. In order to prepare for that defense, you need to anticipate the possible questions that the panel will ask you about your study. Okay. And one very common question is, why did you research your particular topic? Okay. So, why did you research your particular topic? Okay. This question can take many forms. The panel might ask, why do you think your topic should be studied? What is the value of your study? What benefit can your study yield? Why did you choose this topic? And what relevance does it have in your field? Okay, so one way to answer this question is by identifying what is called a research gap. Okay, so as the name implies, a research gap means that there is something missing. In terms of research, there is little or no knowledge about the topic. All right. This is one good way to explain to your research panel the importance of your topic. Because little is known, it is a fresh area for investigation. So, how to establish a research gap? You have to establish it first. Okay, so what can you do? You may try looking for your topic by typing in the keywords in the following sites. So, you will go online and access the following websites: Google Scholar, academia.edu, or ResearchGate. Actually, there are other websites that you can use that are repositories of researches that have been done. Okay? If you find that there are very few or no studies about the topic, then a research gap may exist. Okay? So, all right. Another way to answer this question, why did you research your particular topic, is by identifying an existing issue in a particular situation. Okay. Issues will depend on your field of study. Issues can take many forms. Okay. The issue can be organizational. The issue can be about materials or substances or a more efficient process. And the issue can be about a community. So, as I said, the issue will depend on the field of study. Okay. An existing issue or problem can become worse if it is not addressed. By identifying a real issue, your study becomes very relevant because you want to address the issue. Okay. All right. A third way to answer this question is by establishing that the topic is timely. So, the topic you have chosen is timely when it is based on current events or trends or innovations or novel situations. Okay? So, again, if you face your panel and your panel asks you why did you research your particular topic, what are the acceptable answers? First one, there is little or nothing is known about the topic, which establishes a research gap. Second acceptable answer is that there is an existing issue, there is a problem occurring that you want to address and perhaps recommend some remedies to the problem that might become bigger. Okay. And lastly, it is timely because of the situation that is happening right now. Okay. So that ends my discussion. If you want to be updated with my upcoming lectures, please subscribe to my YouTube channel, Prof. Eric F. Thank you very much.